This is a quick overview of my MA2 heavy machine gun that I have had converted to fire propane and oxygen. On the left you see the green oxygen tank, and that is set at 18 psi generally. And on the right is the propane tank, which I've set at 5 to 7 psi and alter the proportions as I fire. You can see the hoses coming out of each of the tanks and going up into the receiver. And the center part is the electronics running from, or rather the power from running from a 12-volt battery, portable battery, into the electronic control unit. Here I'm opening up the receiver to reveal inside. I don't remember it. So I can see the green tube. This is the oxygen valve, and this one is the propane valve. And each of these have a little tube going into the explosion chamber, one on top here, and there's another one you can barely see that goes into the bottom. The electronics then control the operation of those two valves and also controls the spark going into a regular spark plug that is screwed into the end of the explosion chamber. The explosion chamber then is welded into the receiver, but the barrel itself is screwed into this big nut and can be removed. Firing is controlled by this firing switch here. A little red switch I put in that is in the middle of the circuit that goes into here. There's also a switch, another switch here, that disconnects the circuit, that breaks the circuit to make it, you might say, safe, whether you push this button or not. This is a very loud, as I will now demonstrate. 3, 2, 1, fire. Voila.